Welcome to Unit 302 here at Windsor Hills. My name is Dave. We're going to take you on a quick tour of 302 and tell you what it's all about. It's an awesome unit. You're going to love it. Let's take a look at it. First of all, how do you get in? Really simple. You're going to press in your door key code that we give you on this keypad right here. Then that's going to open the lock, and at that point you can just walk right in. And your code will be good for your entire stay here at Unit 302. Now, let's take a look. What's in 302? You're going to love this. As soon as you walk in, you are greeted by the princess and, of course, the glass slipper. That is kind of standard here at all of our Vacation Central Florida units. You will know you are in one of our units when you see this glass slipper here. And this is Unit 302. It's 2012. We wanted to give you a tour in 2012 so you can see how nice and new everything is here at Unit 302. You have your own private washer and dryer in 302. It's beautiful. Tiles, of course, on the floor, so it makes your entryway very, very nice. And as you look into the unit, you can see in toward the living room area. Everything is about Disney here. We have a lot of Disney artwork on the walls. You're going to see that, so you're really going to feel at home, and you're going to feel like it is on property, even though you're not on Disney property. You're at Windsor Hills. Now, let's take a look first. We'll go into the kitchen. We'll show you what that's all about. Your kitchen is absolutely beautiful. Take a look. We have a sink here for you, of course, a full-size refrigerator and freezer. I mean, it is a very, very nice kitchen. You can see stove here, microwave. If you want to make that popcorn or something else a little quick, got a blender here for you. Also, we keep all kinds of things in the drawers at Unit 302. Plenty of things for you to make sure that you've got enough to cook with. We have empty cabinets you can keep your food in as well. You can see here, we keep one open for you so you can keep your food in it. And the other ones, of course, we stock with utensils and what have you. Knife set there, salt and pepper. Plenty of utensils here at Unit 302. The fridge and the freezer, like we say, these are full size, and of course, Mickey ice cubes, you'll like those when you're here at Unit 302. Take a look, nice fridge, full size, and a coffee maker, coffee for your coffee in the morning, and got a 4-slice toaster here. And like I say, I mean, you know, you're not going to need anything really when you come to 302. Got everything here. I mean, what else are you going to need? You've got it all here at Unit 302. Phone system is here for you, so you can check that out as well. In the cupboards up here, plenty of glasses, and you can see we keep these kind of things for the kids, cups for the adults, a couple of wine glasses there, and plenty of opportunity for you to use all of this here while you are at 302. And we keep these kind of things in here too. That's always fun for the kids. So they'll like these kind of plates, and you'll have a great time here when you're at 302. Now that's the kitchen. Let's a quick look at the kitchen. Let's go see the rest of the unit. Walking out this way. Here you're going to walk into the living room and dining room. You can see the dining room here shows 4 chairs. We have a total of 6, and in those 6 you will see that there are 2 more in the other closets back in the back in one of the other rooms. Here in the living room, a giant 42-inch HD TV. It is beautiful. And of course, every room here at 302, as well as bedrooms, has this. What are those? Those are iHomes. You can plug right into the top here, either your iPhone or your iPod, and it will charge that for you. You can also play it through this if you want to play your music, or it's got an AM/FM radio on there as well. And again, this is Unit 302 here in 2012. Ceiling fans in all rooms of Unit 302. Take a look. Beautiful couch. This is a microfiber couch, and it's very nice for you and your guests when you're here at 302. Large coffee table, so you can play games on that if you want. Kids can enjoy it. We have plenty of lights here in 302, and a great view off the patio as well. You can see here at 302, if you'd like to sit out on that, you can. We supply a table and chairs out there for you at Unit 302, and you're overlooking basically at the basketball and the tennis courts here at 302. Let's go take a look at the master bedroom at 302. We're going to walk in there now, and again, like you say, here in this room you can see we do have the ceiling fan in 302, and of course a large bed here, and again there's your iHome, as you can see there, wireless telephones. Also free internet everywhere in 302. No matter where you are, you get free internet when you're in 302, and a very large 20-inch flat screen HD TV here at 302 in the master bedroom. Again, the artwork, it's all Disney. As you can see, we're very, very proud of our artwork. Spent a lot of time on this, putting these together, these units together, and I think you'll like them. Large closet here. Got a little light switch here. We throw that on, and you can see that in here you got plenty of room, and there is the free wireless internet. Works anywhere in the unit. Extra towels in there as well. Let's try the master bath. Master bath is a nice big bathroom, and I think you'll get a good appreciation for it, because here there is a large shower, and that shower has glass doors there, and of course you're sharing your bathroom with Ariel, and all units are sanitized, which means that the cleaning crew comes in here, sanitizes these units for you before you ever check in. And also a medicine cabinet here at unit 302 as well. So that's a look at the master bedroom here at unit 302. Let's go in and see one of our favorite areas, which is the Mickey bedroom. And walking back this way, you can see when you come around the corner, there it is. It's ceiling fan in here too. This is our Mickey room, our favorite room in the place. A PlayStation 2 here, also flat screen HD TV in 302. And of course, 2 twin beds. These are Mickey beds, and the artwork on the walls, gorgeous. There's what it looks like. Now, one thing I do want to point out here at 302 in this Mickey